can scroll through these. You should have, in this case, the hydrogens are going, their bonds, all the electronegativity and the electrons in the bond are sitting right there on that carbon. But then the carbon bond to the oxygen is going towards the oxygen, as is the hydrogen on the oxygen. Here, all the hydrogens are going in towards the nitrogen. As a note, this is not flat. I'm going to go ahead, I'm writing little notes in here. You're going to find out why next time, but those are not flat. This has no polar bonds. This one, you can kind of see the arrows I've drawn. It should just be going away from the nitrogen. The nitrogen should always be positive. This one we've done a few times with the arrow back and forth. And then right here, so here's what you might say is, should this be polar or not? I'm going to erase it for now because there is no difference between those. There is something else special though that is going on, and it has to do with it not being a straight line. So we're going to come back to this. It has to do with the actual lone pair. Kind of interesting. Then you should see all the arrows going in towards the oxygen. In this case, the hydrogen arrows are going towards the carbon, but then the carbon is going towards the oxygen. That's the electrons in those bonds. There's our xenon going towards our oxygen and out towards all of our chlorines. Here's our sulfur. Both cases of the sulfur, the electronegativity goes towards the oxygen. And then in this one, make sure you can see that there is polarity to this one. And so far we've got this partially filled out. We will finish the rest of it in coordination with the next chapter.